This is how I prepare for fall in my garden. As we start clearing out all the dead stuff and everything, and now my dad, he did till this part right here. I usually don't do a no-till, but because this is new, I want to start building the soil up. So here is every fall I build up my wood chips here of chicken manure and stuff like that, and then we'll spread it out.
Now what my dad's doing here, he went and cleaned out the chicken coop, so he's bringing all the manure out here to dump in the garden. Now this is fresh, so since it's fall, it's okay to go ahead and put it in the garden because it'll be ready before spring, before we start planting. What I'm doing here is, now this is a mixture of a little bit of grass and leaves right now. So I will be picking up the leaves and stuff throughout the fall here and dumping it into the garden. Now this here, with all the trash cans, this came from my brother's house. So we'll dump that right on top of that, on top of the manure. You guys, that's full of good Mother Nature's fertilizer right there. And it also is a weed barrier, and it also helps with maintaining moisture to the ground also. But just, rake it all out here. Now, when the leaves start falling, I will be picking up the leaves with the leaf pickupper, and I still will be depositing here quite a bit of leaves. I like to at least get a foot deep in leaves on top of this yet. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this up, and next week I will put out another video here, and because the leaves have fallen more, and I will show you what I've done on the east side of my garden to prepare for fall. All right, guys, take care.